In today's rapidly evolving music landscape, a groundbreaking phenomenon is taking center stage: AI-generated music. What was once a futuristic concept has now become a tangible reality, with AI platforms like Udio empowering anyone to create original songs with unprecedented ease. But the story doesn't end there. A song originating from Japan, crafted entirely using Udio, has defied expectations and surged into viral fame. This track has unexpectedly climbed to the top of Spotify's Viral 50 Japan chart, capturing the hearts of listeners across the nation. And on YouTube, the song has exploded, amassing over 34 million views and counting. The speed at which this AI-generated song went viral is unprecedented. It showcases how AI is not just a tool, but a potential catalyst for musical innovation, enabling creators to bypass traditional barriers, observed Sarah, a music expert, analytically and insightfully. I never thought I'd see the day when an AI could create a song that resonates so deeply. It's a testament to how far AI has come in understanding and replicating human emotion in music, said Kenji, an AI music enthusiast, surprised and appreciative. The success of this AI-generated song raises questions about the future of music creation. How will AI influence the roles of artists, producers, and labels? Will we see more collaborations between humans and AI? Or will AI eventually become a standalone creative force? This is only the beginning of AI's musical journey. We encourage you to explore the world of AI-generated music and discover the limitless possibilities it holds. From Udio to other innovative platforms, the future of music is in your hands. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more in-depth analysis and breaking news on music and technology trends.